Police dash cams have captured some of the most unbelievable moments on the road, from heart-pounding chases to downright bizarre encounters. These clips will leave you questioning if they're real or straight out of a movie. Welcome to our countdown of jaw-dropping police dashcam moments so crazy you'd think they're fake. Number 1. The stunt driver escape. Police chases are intense, but this one's in a league of its own. A skilled officer on a motorcycle in pursuit of a daredevil offender. What starts as a high-speed chase quickly turns into a stunt show, with the suspect pulling off jaw-dropping tricks and maneuvers that could put professional stunt drivers to shame. Talk about taking the chase to new heights, literally. Number 2. The U-Haul getaway. What's inside this U-Haul? Well, whatever it is, it's definitely not legal. During rush hour, a pursuit ensues as the van weaves through traffic, making a sharp right turn into a parking lot in a desperate attempt to shake off the police. The chaos ends when officers corner the vehicle and arrest the 2 men inside. Their cargo? Let's just say it was added to their list of charges. Number 3. A shocking escape attempt. A routine accident response turned into a scene straight out of a thriller. After a crash, a woman decides fleeing is the best option. She rams into multiple vehicles and police cars, leaving everyone stunned. But here's the kicker. When officers finally stop her, they discover a child in the back seat. Number 4. Moped madness. Driving in New York is always a spectacle, and this chase proves it. A cop and a man on a moped, tangled in what appears to be a personal feud, tear through the streets. But the real drama unfolds when we learn the suspect didn't just borrow the moped, he swiped it during a test drive. Guess he misunderstood the concept of taking it for a spin. Number 5. Melina's wild ride. This one takes the cake. After stealing a brand new Honda Civic during a test drive, Melina's joyride ends in catastrophe. Losing control, she crashes into several vehicles and a concrete barrier.
Okay, on my way. Adam 1035 Mary.
Joe Mary, can you show us up with 925 Adam, Halldale, Rosecrans?
925 Adam, Halldale, Rosecrans.
You never know what's the warrant for.
Get support 4116 DW, David Williams.
She's not done yet. Trapped in the wreckage, she squeezes out through the passenger window and dives into a nearby body of water to escape. Unfortunately for her, the water isn't her salvation. Struggling to stay afloat, she rejects safety ropes from officers, forcing them to dive in to rescue her. After a brief tussle in the water, they drag her ashore and slap on the cuffs. From death-defying stunts to audacious escapes, these dashcam moments are nothing short of incredible. Which one left you speechless? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping stories. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.